Saturday, and I'm off to a wedding. Yes, wedding. Let's go. I'm off to the CBD right now to shoot a wedding for Nikki and Trent. And the good thing about it is the weather is like good today. Like I'm seeing 31 degrees, and it's an outdoor wedding. Usually, if it's an outdoor wedding and it's raining, oh man, that's gonna be tough, both on the lighting and on logistics and everything else. But yeah, there was one time I was shooting a wedding. It was around 42 degrees. Man, we nearly collapsed, and yeah, it was tough. My cameras were heating up. I have a hard time touching it. I had 3 cameras. I left one in the floor, and then when I came back to pick it up, it's so hot. Anyway, I need to be driving now because yeah, I need to be there. See you later. Ciao. Already here to Park Hyatt, and it's already 1 o'clock, and I'm waiting to enter the room. Anyway, good thing I'm here, and I'm ready. Let's do this. Yeah.
I can literally sit on the lining of this dress and it doesn't move. Yeah.
I love the car. This is a vlog.
Oh, it's a vlog!
Oh yeah.
Hello!
I'm shooting Nikki's wedding today, and we're so excited. Ah! Love the weather. Yeah. Okay, bro. Ready for the wedding?
Always ready.
Always ready to eat. Yeah, we're in the park in St. Kilda.
Now we're hoping for a really
And I'm
relaxed
heading
and
towards
fun feel
bride's-
to today's wedding. So come in close.
So the bride's somewhere there.
Everybody
I can see
come
her now.
right in.
Look,
She's going to walk through there, but you can part ways when she gets there.
there's the bride.
A handsome prince chanced upon the loveliest young maiden in the kingdom. Okay, now let's not dwell on this bit for too long because it was actually at a Rat and Winger concert. Heavy metal to you lot. At the Metro Theatre in Sydney, and now you can easily see.
I see a really fun-filled life. I see you ticking off the other 15 to 20 states of America, exploring Europe.
I was playing video. With the wedding, fortunately my car's in Royal Park. Done with the wedding, and unfortunately my car's in Park Hyatt, so I need to the wedding. Apparently I let Alden go ahead because yeah, there's nothing more to do. Unfortunately I forgot that my car's in Park Hyatt, so I'm going back to Park Hyatt to get my car, and yeah, waiting for a train. Stupid me. So I have to come to the train station.
Will be the 11th to stay at Clifton Hill, stopping all stations to Clifton Hill via the City Loop. And always remember...
So I'm starting to enjoy using this RX 100. Apparently, so I've been enjoying... So... oh fuck. So I've been enjoying using this RX 100 lately for vlogging. And you see the ISO is good. It's dark now, but I'm getting good shots. Well, the problem now is grading it. I hope it comes out good in the grading. Also, I'm shooting in 1080p, 24 frames. So I might shoot 4K soon if I'm gonna enjoy it. Apparently, I'm not using Final Cut. So it's gonna be slow rendering. I'll see also if I'm gonna go into this dark alley. If it's good, I'm hoping it is. Anyway, again, I'm heading to the parking lot because, yeah, I'm heading to my car. So it was a nice wedding today. Enjoyed shooting, though there was a part that I was vomiting. Yeah, I don't know if it was the heat or if it was the wind. It was so windy earlier, but yeah, I went to the reception and I vomited. Felt sick to my stomach, but now I'm good. And I'm heading to the parking lot. Now there's a car coming out. So, yep, this is the parking lot, Wilson's parking. I'm heading home. Now I'm taking a break. You can see my hair's like a mess because I was a mess earlier. Far out. Well, I'm fine now. First time in a wedding I had a quick massage because I was feeling awful, really awful. Anyway, see ya. Oh, gotta stop by Macca's to get some food, get some fries, chips and everything. Okay, Macca's it is. On my way home, I was tempted to buy Macca's, so I got myself an orange juice, coffee frappe, cheeseburger, and pancake. Sorry, diet. Have to do this. Anyway, need to go. Used to have cheap petrol there, but it's closed. Should have gone to the other servo, but anyway. Got Macca's with me, so I'm heading home directly to eat this. It's surprising because I shoot weddings and we eat good food. It's not like they don't feed us, but the thing is, at the end of the day, we always go to Macca's or get something to eat because we burn everything that we eat, or we just eat a lot. Anyway, yeah, so that's what happened to me. Like, I had a good meal. I wasn't feeling well earlier, but yeah, I ate in the reception. It was a fun wedding with Nikki and Trent, and apparently I'm buying Macca's now. So yeah, I'm gonna put out some calories, I think. Anyway, near home now. So I don't know, I might end this vlog now, or should I end it later? I don't know. And it'll be off to another day tomorrow. Hello, I'm vlogging now. I'll be home in a few, and then I need help because I'm bringing a lot of stuff with me, like a lot of food. It's been a long day, and I would like to thank Nikki for trusting in my work, and also Aldine for helping me today. Also, I'm gonna enjoy this frap for now. I'm gonna go ahead and back up the files, and then I'm gonna upload some photos later. So at this point, might be closing the vlog, so roll wedding B-rolls. Yeah.